In this video, we will learn about Cartesian product. But before knowing about Cartesian product, we have to know the meaning of empty set and non-empty set. Empty set means a set containing no any elements. For example, these two sets are empty set as there is no presence of any element. And non-empty set means a set containing at least one element. For example, these two sets are non-empty set as this set contains 0 as an element, this set D contains 1 and 2 as an elements. Now we are going to learn about Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B is the set of all the order pairs in which first element comes from set A and second element comes from set B. It is denoted by A cross B. A cross B. As we have learned before, meaning of non-empty set. For this Cartesian product, the set must be non-empty, means it should at least contain one element. Now, for example, let us take these two non-empty sets, set A containing elements 1, 2 and set B containing element 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to find Cartesian product of this set A and B. We have written this as A cross B is equals to, this is first set into this is second set. Now we have to form order pair, as we have written here is the set of all the ordered pairs. Because this Cartesian product is a set, so we must write here curly bracket. Then first element come from first set, here first set is A, so 1 we have written. Then second element, what is written here, second element comes from set B, so second element we have written from this set B. Now we have to go on continuing this until this gets completed. 1 4 1 5. Now the elements of set B are over for this first element of this first set. Now we move on to second element of first set. 2 3 2 4 2 5. In this way we have found the Cartesian product of A and B. Now let us find Cartesian product of B and A. We have to keep in mind that Cartesian product of A and B is not same as Cartesian product of B and A. We write Cartesian product of A and B as A cross B, and we write Cartesian product of B and A as B cross A. So this is equals to 3 4 5 into 1 2. Here 3 1 is for this Cartesian product B cross A, the first element must come from first set, that is from set B, and second element must come from second set, that is for this second set is A, so we have taken this second element of this order pair from second set. Similarly 3 2. Now the elements of this second set are over, so we move on to next element, that is second element of first set. 4 1 4 2. Now we again move on to 5 1 5 2. In this way we have found Cartesian product of B cross A also. Now we are going to study about representation of Cartesian product. Representation means showing. It means how we can show Cartesian product. We can show Cartesian product in 5 different ways. They are in the form of a set of ordered pairs, in the form of tree diagram, in the form of mapping diagram or arrow diagram, in the form of Cartesian plane or in graph, and in the form of table. Now we will study about each of them along with examples. Let us take two sets A and B as we have taken before. Now at first we have found Cartesian product of set A and B in the form of set of ordered pairs. This we have done before also. Now in the form of tree diagram, we write element of set A first like this 1 and 2, and elements of set B we write for every element of set A, we write all the elements of set B like this. Again for element 2 of first set A, we have written elements, all the elements of set B here also. Then we have found here Cartesian product of A and B. Here 1, 3 first order pair of this Cartesian product, then 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Arrow diagram or mapping diagram means the same thing. For this we draw two circles for set A and B, and here we write the elements of set A, and here a small dot, and here we write the elements of set B. Then we draw an arrow to map from elements of set A to element of set B. In this way we have completed the representation of Cartesian product A cross B in the form of arrow diagram or mapping diagram. For representing Cartesian product in Cartesian plane or graph, we have to draw Cartesian plane first, then we plot all the ordered pairs in graph here as shown here. At first we have points 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, then 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. In this way we have completed representing Cartesian product of A and B in Cartesian plane also. Now finally we are going to represent Cartesian product of A and B in the form of table. For representing Cartesian product in the form of table, we draw first set here, then second set here. In this horizontal line are called rows and this vertical lines are called column. We draw one extra rows or column than the number of elements. Since elements in set A are 2, so we have drawn here 3 rows, and in set B number of elements is 3, so we have drawn here 4 columns. Now we write here elements of set A 1 and 2 and element of set B 3, 4 and 5. Then here we write 1, 3. This first we have to write element of first set A. Then here 1, 4, 1, 5, here 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. In this way we have completed the final method of representation of Cartesian product A and B. This is Cartesian product of A and